Hey guys, how are you today? I am cleaning windows, spring cleaning, right? These happen to be a Marvin single pane glass window with an energy panel that you have to actually take off to clean. But this tip doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you have removable wood windows or they are the old style in-place windows with the stops. Doesn't matter. You get some wood paste or wood wax and you basically put the wax in the window edges like this on both sides. If it's not a removable window, no problem. You could just put it along the channel of the wood while the window is in place. Just raise the window, the lower sash, wax the bottom channel, lower it, lower the top sash, wax the top channel. What it's going to do is it's going to condition and seal the wood so it won't absorb as much moisture and expand and contract. But more importantly, it's going to lubricate the window, and the window is going to slide up and down very, very smoothly and nice, way easier than it was. So if you have a window that's maybe sticking, this is a good option. Now I will warn you, if you have a lot of paint and things in that channel, you probably should scrape that paint out and then wax it. You don't need paint in those channels. I hope this helps, guys. Take care.